February dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, this viral sticker, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from my Instagram page you have to click to add yours 2022 at highlights, and from here you have to click until you find the desired sticker, just like this. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you how to get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and then I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo, or you can add 2 or 3 photos. So I'll go ahead and add the first photo. I will go with this one. Then if you want to add a second photo, you have to click the stickers from the top of the screen, then scroll down and click on the plus icon right here, and then add the second photo, and you have to place that photo where you want. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram on Ali John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral, this time at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a YouTube video which has only 2 or 3 minutes. I think it's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.